Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Fun for Movers, Unit 9.
Welcome to Fun for Movers by Cambridge University Press, built for Cambridge English Language Assessments. Student Book, page 22, Unit 9, Me and My Family. Section A. Who are they? Listen and draw lines. My sister Sue and I love everyone in our family. Our parents are great. Dad's name is Matt. Our mom's name called Alice. We've got a really pretty aunt, too. She's called Julia, and our uncle's name is Sam. He's very tall. We've got 2 cousins. They're both boys, and their names are Ben and Peter. Our grandparents' names are Hugo and Zoe. We like going to see them a lot. They're happy because they've got 2 granddaughters and 2 grandsons now, Ben, Peter, Sue, and me. Matt is the one carrying a sack and has a beard. Alice is the one with the cake. Hugo is the one standing by Zoe Rice with the cat. Hugo is the man by the woman in front of the door. Sam is a boy. He has a camera. And Julia has flowers. Pause at this moment or rewind to hear it again. Draw the lines to the person and then do section B. And then we resume for your corrections. Corrections, section A and B. Section C. Answer questions about the people in your family. Student Book, page 23, Section D. Write 1, 2, or 3 words to complete the sentences about the story. Listen and place. Hello, my name's Ben. I live in the town center with my parents and my brother, Peter. Peter's younger than me. He's 5 and I'm 12. Last Saturday, Dad took us all to our grandparents' farm in his car. Grandma and Grandpa live on a farm that's near the sea. We love going there. Ben and Peter's home is in the town center. Ben is 12 years old. Number 1. The children went to their grandparents' farm by the sea last Saturday. Number 2. Ben, his brother, and father traveled by car. There's always something exciting to go and see at their farm. On Sunday, my brother asked, "Can we go and see the horses, Grandpa?" "Yes," Grandpa said, "and I can show you our 2 new baby horses. They're only 1 week old. I'd like you to choose names for them," Grandpa added. "Good idea," Grandpa said. Number 3. The children went to see the two new baby horses on Sunday. Number 4. Grandpa asked the boys to choose the baby horses' names. Peter and I laughed when we saw the baby horses. They had pretty brown eyes and made funny noises when we said, "Your new names are Cloudy and Star." On Monday, we both rode Mr. Jim, Grandpa's oldest horse, around the biggest field. Peter and I really loved that holiday. It was fantastic. Number 5. The boys called the two baby horses Cloudy and Star. 6. The boys rode Mr. Jim around their grandfather's biggest field. Number 7. Ben and his brother enjoyed that holiday a lot. Corrections, Section D. Activity Book, Unit 9, Me and My Family. Vocabulary. Read the sentences and complete the words. Number 1 is done as an example. Your mom and dad are your parents. Go ahead and complete 2 through 8. Activity Book, Grammar, Unit 9. Read the text, choose the correct words, and write them on the lines. Number 1 is done as an example. My mom has got 3 sisters. My mom is the oldest, and she's the... Go ahead and complete 2 through 8. Special note, number 2. Since number 1 is the superlative form of old, we want to keep that in number 2. So that would be which one? Tall, taller, or tallest? If your answer is tallest, excellent job.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.